Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about how to clean and care for your Louis Vuitton Neverfall handbag. You can get these in a variety of colours and shapes, however the cleaning is all the same. People ask me, how do I keep my bag so nice? I have had this for a year now and I wear it every single day. I'm not even over exaggerating, it is my everyday bag. Now I have some tips and tricks on how to clean it and also how to care for it. So let's dive into how to clean it. First of all, you're going to want to make sure that everything's out of the bag, so take everything out. I will talk about this later, but it is the best investment when it comes to your Louis Vuitton Neverfall handbag. Now that we've done that, we need 4 items on hand to help us clean the bag. First off is a nice clean rag or towel of any sort, and this will be used to wiping it down. Some lukewarm water, just got it in a bowl, and a dry towel or rag for after, and a lint roller for when it comes to cleaning the interior. So you want to get your dry clean rag and you want to just drop it in the bowl of water or wherever it is you're getting the water from, and make sure that there's no excess, so it's just a damp rag or towel. So you want to get the bag and just wipe it in circles. Now I like to be a little thorough on the bottom just because obviously that's where it spends a lot of its time. Great, so once we've wiped down the bag itself, we're going to then go onto the straps. And we're just going to do circular motions at the bottom and then just wring the middle of the damp cloth around the edge of it. Now, if you have a monogram on your bag, like so, you want to make sure that you're extra careful because you don't want any of it to come off. Unfortunately for me, when I got it done in the store, something happened and a bit of it flaked off. So I've got to be extra careful just to ensure that I don't lose any more of my A. Great, and then just grab the edge and grab the rag and then just pinch it and then just go around the top of the bag. And then we'll do the sides. Great, once you've done that, you'll put your towel down and you'll grab your dry towel, rag, whatever it is you've got on hand, as long as it's clean. That is key. Great, so I'm really happy with that. So that is done. So we're just doing a light clean on it. Obviously, if you've got some spills or stains on there, I would recommend going and getting it professionally cleaned or taking it into your closest Louis Vuitton store to find out what alternatives you have to get that out. But yes, today we're just doing a light clean on the bag. So now let's dive in and do the interior. Now, as you can see, my bag, like I said, I've had it for a year now, and with it being the light pink, it does stain easy, but overall it's actually in really great condition. The reason being because I have one of these. Now this is like a bag organizer. You can get these online and it's just great. You can just chuck your wallet in there, you can chuck everything in there, and obviously if any dirt, food, whatever falls in it, it falls in on this and it doesn't actually damage our pride and joy. So we'll grab the lint roller and we'll just roll the edges. Once you've done that, you'll just grab it and roll the back, like so. And just like that, we're done. What you can do is if you feel like this isn't doing enough, you can get some tape and wrap it around your fingers and press into the edges and like into the groove where it folds, and that will help pull out any extra dust. Today I'm not going to do that because I don't think it needs it, but as you can see, we've got quite a lot of dust off there. Now when it comes to caring for this bag, now I use this every single day, so I don't really put it in the dust bag. However, if you've got one of these, which is a Louis Vuitton dust bag. So if you're not using the bag, I do suggest putting it in here, and that goes for any bag. So I would recommend, depending on how often you're using it or if you're putting it away in storage for a while, to definitely put it in a dust bag, and that will just make sure that it's safe while it's there. Also, if you can, with these bags, you should lie them down if you have the room. Or I've also got a trick to keep the straps up. As you can see, I haven't used the trick in a while, but there we go. So I've got a trick to help keep the straps up. Another great way of caring for your bag is investing in an organizer. So as you can see, I've just got this little organizer here. It keeps my wallet and everything in there. The good thing about this is anything that spills or it's dirty or food or anything like that, it goes in here. So as you can see, I'll take everything out. It's pretty filthy. So this has saved all this getting stuck at the bottom of my bag and getting stuck in here. It's definitely an investment to get one of these. I reckon if you've got a big bag and you want to make sure that it stays safe, these work a treat. I mean, as you can see, I've got pen marks on it. I've got just, oh, it's just a mess. I don't even know how it gets that messy. I swear I never really have that much in my bag. But while we're at it, I'm going to give my inside of my bag, the organizer, a clean. Great, it's nothing fancy, but hey, it's better than having this dirt and these stains on the actual Louis bag. And just like that, we've cleaned your Louis Vuitton Neverfull handbag. Now please feel free to subscribe and like for more videos like this. It's been great having you guys on board. Thank you.